Welcome back to the PK Lounge, y'all, at Cowtown, USA. Today we're wrangling up our power pack, flavor-loaded creation, the Cowtown Salmon Crunch Power Bowl. This ain't your everyday salad. This bowl comes with boots on. If you caught our last video, the Texas Fire Chicken with Wrangler sauce, you know we're all about Texas flavor and bold textures. And this one's got it all. Crispy rice, creamy avocado, juicy salmon, and that Cowtown crunch. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell. Let's get into it. This ain't your average salad. We're serving up Cowtown Power Bowl straight from PK Lounge Kitchen. Packed with crispy rice, seasoned salmon, creamy avocado, and tangy edamame. Toss in some red onion and cucumber for a Texas-sized crunch, and you got yourself a bold bowl that fuels your day like a diesel engine running down I-35. Whether you're looking for meal prep ideas, high-protein bowls, or just a flavor explosion, this one's for you. We're not just cooking, we're crunching our way through Cowtown. If flavor had horsepower, this bowl would be a Longhorn Stampede. And on to the dressing. Real quick, all you have to do is combine half cup olive oil, quarter cup lemon juice, 2 tablespoons honey, half of a red onion chopped up, half teaspoon of cumin, half teaspoon kosher salt, half teaspoon ground pepper, and some avocado. And blend that up. You will have a creamy, delightful dressing. Thanks for tuning in this week, guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more from Cowtown, USA. And as always, the full recipe's in the description. I hope you enjoy this one. I'll see you next time.